Hi, thanks for watching this video. Today I just thought I'd quickly show you this. This is my painting of High Force Waterfall. I kind of set myself a bit of a challenge here to paint a load of complex rock textures. This is kind of a really ancient place formed over 300 million years ago. Kind of carved out by water from the last ice age. And there is so much history in each of them little layers, them little sections. I did emphasise a little bit in some of the tones of the rock formations, but I just wanted to emphasise some of that atmosphere and give it a bit of contrast. And I haven't changed the water either, that's quite shallow. I've used a little bit of yellow ochre and burnt sienna just for those shallow areas there. That's got that kind of dirty look, but that's all minerals and peat from the ground above. And that waterfall, that drop about 22 metres. And I know I concentrated a lot on them rocks, a lot of detail, but the focal point is that water really. And that is a bright day here, so that water does reflect black here from all the wet rock. And but as you can see, I started off with a kind of a detailed sketch, to make sure I got all the rocks in position. And I know it does look like I've used a lot of black here, but there's a lot of different tones. There's blues, brown, reds, burnt sienna, raw umber, yellow ochre, obviously green, a little bit of violet in there on the lower sections of the damp rocks, and a few other colours in there, but they all work together to kind of recreate that feel of that ancient rock. That would be quite easy to paint it all kind of grey and brown, but I just wanted to do my best really and kind of capture some of that authentic High Force Waterfall atmosphere. And I've even added a little group of birds up there just above the waterfall just to give it a bit of life and just so you can see the scale of the place really. And there it is, temporarily framed. And that is my painting of High Force Waterfall, and I hope you like it, and thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.